right, hello guys, well done, God bless you. You're welcome to Dwoco Maths Lab, and this is Dr. Tam K. All right, today we're going to be taking it off from where we left, okay, in our last class on that binary, okay. So what we're going to do quickly is to go straight to binary addition. We're going to show you a bit of how you can put binary together in terms of addition and then subtraction, multiplication and division, right? And this is going to be a bit difficult because I'm not actually seeing you face to face, and I'm not actually having a whiteboard to do this for you, okay? But then I can manage the space I have here to show you what I need to show you. All right, without wasting time, let's take a look at addition. Let's assume we want to add 1 not 1 1 plus 1 not 1 not. Now please, when I say not, it means 0, right? What I mean by 0, okay? So if you are to add 1 not 1 1 plus 1 not 1 not, what would be our result? All right, so in binary, these are you add your values, okay? These are you add up to get your final result. If you look here, right, this is 1 plus 0, it's going to give you 1. All right, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now you're not going to write down the 2. All right, you're not going to write down the 2. What you do is you write down 1, okay? You write down 0, okay? Let me do that. You write down the 0 and carry 1, okay? That's a write down 0, right? Then we'll go to carry 1. That one we carry, we're going to take it up to this way, right? And then that 1 plus 0 give us 1 again. Is it clear? And then finally, 1 plus 1 again is 2. Now, of course, in binary, don't just write 2. Instead, write what 0. Because as we have explained before, in every binary, what the digits are, the bits are 1 and 0. Okay, for every binary, when you get 2, inside 2 you have what? 1 and 0. Okay, for every 2 you have 1 and 0. So you don't just go to write down the 2 like that, okay? You don't push it like that. No, you don't do that. Rather, you break it into the binary bits, which is what? 1 and 0. Is that clear? So let me quickly repeat this again. If you are to add 1 not 1 1 plus 1 not 1 not, what do you do? Simply 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, write down 0, carry 1. Is it clear? Then 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 you carry give us 1. Then finally 1 plus 1 is 2. Now in binary of 2 you have what? 1 and 0 as your answer. That's why we got 1 and 0. Is it clear? So that will give us 1 not 1 base 2. Is that clear? Now can we quickly take this to base 10 and see what we're going to get out of this, okay? So this is what you do. If you are to take that to base 2, so base 10, 1 not 1 1 to base 10, we're going to give us 8 4 2 1. How do I get this answer? Very simple. Now if you are to convert 1 not 1 1 to base 10, what you usually do is what? You take base 2 raised to the power of what? 0 1 2 3. 0 1 2 3. So since they're in 4th place, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power not going to give you 1, and then 2 raised to the power of 1 going to give you 2, 2 raised to the power 2 going to give you 4, 2 raised to the power 3 give you 8. Is it clear? Let me say that again. 2 raised to the power not is 1, 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, and of course 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. So now in the place of 8 we have 0. Sorry, in the place of 4 rather, you can see 1 2 3 4, right? If you look at that position, 1 2 1 2 3 4. In the place of 4 we have 0. So 0 times 4 is what? 0. So we cancel that part. So we're left with what? 8 plus 2 plus 1, and 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, so we got 10. So converting 1 not 1 1 to base 10 is what? 11 base 10. Is it clear? Now what about 1 not 1 not? 1 not 1 not to base 10. What do you do? Again, the same thing. We have 1 2 4 8. 1 2 4 8. By taking to power, 2 raised to power 0 is what? 1. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Now we have 0 on this position and 0 on this position. So we have to cancel the 4 and cancel the 1. Is that clear? So I left it what? 8 and 2. So 8 plus 2 is what? 10. Okay, 8 plus 2 is 10. So your conversion of 1 not 1 not to base 10 is what? 10 base 10. Is it clear? So now that I've gotten 10, 11 base 10 and 10 base 10, what we do is we'll add up 11 plus 10. 11 plus 10 is what? 21 base 10. Is it clear? So now let's quickly convert this 21 base 10 to see whether we're going to get this answer. All right, let's convert 21 base 10 so that we can see. Let's see if we can get 1 not. Let's see if we can get 1 not 1 not 1. Is that clear? So quickly, what I do is what? This. Okay, I have to convert the base 21, 21 base 10 now to base 2. 2 divide 21 is 10, the remainder is 1, right? 2 divide 10 is 5, the remainder is not. 2 divide 5 is 2, the remainder is 1. 2 divide 2 is 1, the remainder is not. 2 divide 1 is 0, the remainder is what? 1. So taking them up this way, from down up, okay, I got what? 1 not, 1 not, 1 base 2, which is the answer we got here. All right, so this is a way of like trying to confirm to see if you have got your answer correct. Is it clear? So if this is well understood, give us a thumb up, and then let's go to the subtraction and see what we can get out of it. Is it clear? This is Dr. Tam K. I'm going to come back again and take it up to the subtraction part. Follow me closely, right? It's interesting. Okay, wonderful. Mathematics is nice. Okay, it has a way of helping your brain. Okay, so let's go to the subtraction part.